Alright, here's a script for a YouTube video on rometips.com about airdropping photos and videos in full quality. Intro music with rometips.com logo animation. Host *. Hey everyone, welcome back to rometips.com. Today we're tackling something super practical for all you iPhone users out there: how to airdrop photos and videos in full, uncompressed quality. Brief B-roll footage of someone using AirDrop. Host *. We've all been there, right? You airdrop a gorgeous sunset photo or a hilarious video, only to find it looks kinda meh on the other end. It's because AirDrop sometimes compresses files automatically. But don't worry, there's a simple way to bypass that. Upbeat transition sound. Host *. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the foolproof method to ensure your precious memories stay crisp and clear when you airdrop them. We'll cover everything from checking your settings to making sure you're using the right method. Text on screen. What we'll cover ***. Checking your airdrop settings. * Selecting the right photos/videos. * The share sheet trick, the key to full quality. ***** Troubleshooting tips. ****. Host ***, but before we dive in, if you're finding this video helpful so far, please hit that like button. It really helps us out. And if you're new here, subscribe to rometips.com for more travel hacks, photography tips, and all things tech-related to make your adventures smoother. Ring that bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Small graphic animation reminding viewers to like and subscribe. Host ***. Okay, let's get straight to it. First, let's quickly double-check your AirDrop settings. Screen recording showing the iPhone Control Center. Host **. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Then, long press the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card. You'll see the AirDrop icon. Tap it. Make sure it's set to everyone or contacts only depending on who you're sharing with. Receiving off won't work. Screen recording zooms in on the AirDrop options. Host **. This setting allows other devices to see and receive your AirDrop, so it is essential. Now that we have that out of the way, let's proceed. Transition sound. Host **. Next. Make sure you're selecting the actual original files you want to share. Head to your Photos app. Screen recording showing the Photos app. Host **. Locate the photos or videos you want to airdrop. This part is crucial. Select the photos or videos you want to send. Screen recording shows how to select multiple photos/videos. Host **. Now, this is where the magic happens. Instead of hitting the standard AirDrop button directly in the Photos app, don't do that. Instead, tap the share icon, that little square with the arrow pointing up. Screen recording highlights the share icon. Host **. Scroll through the sharing options below the AirDrop row. You'll see options like Copy Photo or Save to Files. Ignore those. Keep scrolling. Screen recording slowly scrolls through the share sheet options. Host **. Until you see the AirDrop icons above the different applications you can share to. Select your recipient there. Screen recording shows tapping the AirDrop icon in the top row of the share sheet. Host **. By using the AirDrop option within this upper section of the share sheet, you're more likely to airdrop the full, uncompressed version. It's a quirk, I know, but it works. Visual animation highlighting the difference between the two AirDrop options in the share sheet, incorrect button versus correct button, ***. Host **. This little trick forces AirDrop to send the original files rather than trying to optimize them for sharing, which leads to that quality loss. Transition sound. Host **. Alright, let's say things still aren't working properly. Let's troubleshoot. Text on screen, troubleshooting. Host **. First, make sure both devices have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. They don't need to be connected to a specific network, but these settings need to be enabled. Second, bring the devices closer together. AirDrop uses Bluetooth to establish the initial connection, and a weaker signal can cause problems. Thirdly, make sure both devices are running the latest version of iOS. Older software can sometimes have compatibility issues. Finally, give both devices a restart. Sometimes, all it takes is a fresh start. Visuals show close-up of iPhones connecting via AirDrop. Host **, and that's it. By using this share sheet trick and double-checking those settings, you can airdrop photos and videos in full quality every single time. Outro music begins. Host **, I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more awesome tips and tricks. End screen with links to other related videos and social media. Host *, thanks for watching, and happy travels.